The modules for the course, both the courses actually, have been designed with keeping this reviewing and relooking at the perception level. How do we examine how the reductionist science, our education system, the whole globalization and consumerism, what it has done to us, it has done to our notions of who we are on this earth. So our modules have been designed keeping that in mind. I'll just run through all the modules for this course. So the first module that we have is the foundation module, and that is common for both courses, the holistic education course and the science and management for sustainable living course. And it is called connecting to land, self and community. So in this module, the students engage with hands-on work in the land, um, establishing a deeper connection with land, feeling themselves as part of this larger biotic community. There is a lot of work done at the self level, group work. There is a residential programs and other short modules to kind of understand who is this person that I am, what are my patterns of thinking, feeling, and acting, and what are my enablers and what blocks me. So there's a tuning in with the individual that I am and finding a sense of belonging, a sense of space in this community that comes together. So there is um, a, a cohesiveness that I discover as I tune in with myself and tap into the synergy of the community. That's the first module. Then we have the ecological food and farming module, wherein students get to uh, engage with the different um, possibilities and opportunities that exist when you look at a non-chemical way of farming and healthy, nutritious food. So they are introduced to permaculture, to zero budget farming, to organic farming, natural farming. And the interesting thing is it's not just content and, loads of material that you go through. You meet practitioners, you meet people who've done significant amount of work and get to share their experiences, get to visit different farms. So it's in that sense also holistic learning. We have a module on economics for well-being because uh, profit-driven economics is what has led us to the crisis that we are in. So how do we have economics for well-being, not only for the human community, but for the entire earth as well? Then we have a module on communication and expression, wherein students get to share their thoughts, their ideas, some things that they are strongly with through the medium of films or presentations, anything they choose. So it's an interesting space to explore how do we communicate things, because today we are also living in a very media savvy world. So if we need to network and communicate, we need to use the tools that is currently relevant.